Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to redeem your points on PandaBuy in 2025. If you've been saving up those loyalty points from your purchases, this is your guide to turning them into real rewards. Whether it's free shipping, discounts, or exclusive items, redeeming points can save you money and make shopping even more fun. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your PandaBuy account. If you don't have one, head over to the PandaBuy website or app and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards or Points section, usually found in your account dashboard or under a dedicated tab. This is where all the magic happens. Next, check your points balance. You'll see a clear display of how many points you have accumulated. Remember, points might expire or have specific redemption rules in 2025, so keep an eye on any dates or terms listed there. Now, browse the available rewards. PandaBuy offers a variety of options, like merchandise, vouchers, or even cash back. Select the item you want to redeem, and double-check that you have enough points. Nothing worse than getting excited and realizing you're short. After selecting your reward, hit the Redeem button. You'll likely need to confirm your choice, maybe enter a verification code sent to your email or phone for security. Once that's done, your points will be deducted, and you'll receive confirmation of your reward. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on the reward type. A quick tip: always read the fine print before redeeming. Some rewards might have restrictions, like being available only in certain regions or for specific products. If you run into any issues, PandaBuy's customer support is usually helpful. Just check their help center or contact them directly. There you have it, folks. Redeeming points on PandaBuy is straightforward and a great way to get more value from your shopping. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.